Today I will discuss the packing efficiency of body-centered cubic lattice. Packing efficiency of body-centered level. Body-centered unit cell consists of by the constituent particles at each corner of the unit cell and center of the unit cell. So the unit cell may be diagrammatically shown as suppose a constituent particle is located at here and here. A particle which is in body centered is shown as S. Another particle which is located at here. Suppose it is the A, B, C, D, E and F. Now there are two triangles. We suppose two triangles. One of the ADF and other is DEF. DEF in triangle EFD. It is the EFD. EFD. The triangle DF square E will be equal to EF square plus ED square. If edge length is the A, so DF square E will be equal to A square plus B square, A square plus A square, or DF square is equal to 2A square, 2A square, or DF E will be equal to root over 2A. Now in triangle AFD, in triangle AFD, AF square E will be equal to AF square is equal to AD square plus DF square, or AF square E will be equal to AD square. AD square is equal to edge length, so AD square is equal to A square plus DF square. DF square is equal to root 2A. Root 2A. Root 2A, or AF square is equal to, suppose, or AF is equal to A square, or root 2A is equal to root 3A. F is equal to root 3. From figure AF is equal to 1R, here to here is equal to 2R, or here to here is equal to 1R. That is AF is equal to 4R. So 4R is equal to root 3A, or A is equal to 4R upon root 3. Question number 2. So volume of the cube it will be equal to A cube which is equal to 4r upon root 3 का whole cube. We know the volume of the sphere E will be equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Since there are two constituent particles in body centered, so volume occupied by the particle it will be equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now packing efficiency eta will be equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 4r upon root 3 whole cube into 100. When this is solved, we get 68%. That is, in body centered, packing efficiency is 68%. So empty space in body centered will become 32%. This is the packing efficiency of body centered unit cell is 68%. Thank you. In next video we will discuss the density of the unit cell.